The waters surrounding Bird Island are rich in nutrients. In pursuit of these nutrients, an abundance of marine life. Fish and sharks of all shapes and sizes. It is for this reason that Dr. Smale has chosen Bird Island for an important shark research program.
Bird Island is one of the tagging sites we've got for a variety of sharks, predominantly ragged-tooth sharks and gully sharks, but we tag a variety of others too because it's part of a broad-based plan to better understand aging of sharks.
In order to achieve maximum results, Dr. Smale has forged a close working relationship with a small group of conservation-minded anglers. Popular South African angler Ricky Jacobs realizes the importance of protecting and conserving our rapidly declining fish stocks.
Might just cut me off. It's like a raggy. Yeah, I think it's a raggy. So it feels like. That's a good one. Yeah, I'll try and pull him in. Yeah. That's strong.